point, we got a Dainkin unit. I doubt you can see that. This is what it is. So I strip off the usable components to throw in the truck, take them down. Yeah, I'm a sucker. I take the wiring so that whoever wires it back up knows how the thermostat went. We scrap, so I don't take any of the big components. I don't want to take room up on my truck with this kind of stuff. These are in there, so is what it is. I don't need another block. Pretty simple stuff. We're gonna have to cut a hole in the bottom of the unit for the power to come up. I got that over there. It should be like for like, but bing bang boom. Thermostat's in the return. Unit's unscrewed. Sit and wait for the crane. That's all we got now, buddy. Oh yeah, get that flipping halo, halo. That sun's a beast. How often do you think they grease this bad boy up? She's running. I sent her down, get the pipe. We use the oil fresh air. Five-year parts and manufacture the whole unit, man. Commercial applications. You can talk crap all you want. Ain't no one else giving that, baby. Ain't no one else giving it. Field wire up here to the block. We got power wire going to the heater over here. Low voltage terminals. Don't get much easier than that. It's pretty simple. Got a little time delay brake. Transformer. Relays and contactors, baby, the way we like them, boys.